Kia ora and welcome to the Fundamentals of Singing Part 1. My name is Zoe Stebe, your vocal coach for today. And in this course, you are going to find the 10 fundamental aspects and skills that you need to know in order to sing with more stability, sing with ease, hit those high notes, and sing louder with confidence. At the end of this course, you are going to be able to recognize when you are standing incorrectly, how to diagnose the correct posture, as well as tongue position, learning a new song from scratch. All of the steps that you need to know to sing any song in any style and learn it with great vocal technique. There's also a whole bunch of information on the anatomy and function of the voice, looking after your voice and taking care of this live instrument that we have, and exercises that you can implement into your singing practice every single day. Real practical exercises for you to improve your voice. I am so excited about this course because this is 10 entire singing lessons that I've squished down into an online course so that you, with my guidance, can improve your voice in the comfort of your own home. So if you're someone who has no experience with singing whatsoever, you're not even sure how the voice is created, or if you're someone who's started singing by yourself, but you're really looking for some solid direction in how you can step by step improve your singing, then this course is for you, because I'm going to really take you through the fundamentals of creating a better singing voice. And it's all about the practice. So I've got exercises in there every single step of the way so that you can implement this new technique into your own singing. So my name is Zoe Stebe and I am a Certified Estill Master Trainer. I also have my Bachelor of Music from the University of Auckland, majoring in music history and theory. And I also have a Master's in Musical Theatre from the Royal Conservatoire of Scotland. I've spent about the last 17 years of my life teaching singing, and I have gone through all of the voice schools of thinking and techniques that are out there, and I've packaged them together in this course for you, right? From speech level singing, complete vocal technique, you name it. I've done workshops, courses in these things, and I've packaged that together conveniently in this course for the 10 main fundamental aspects of learning to sing. You aren't just going to be left alone though. No, if you take this course with me, I'm going to make sure that you receive the support that is needed for your singing. So you can always book in for a one-to-one booster session at a discounted rate for my fabulous students of my online course so that you can feel like you're getting the feedback that you need if you're a little bit unsure about some of the aspects of the course. And I want to make sure that you are looked after every single step of the way. So there are always additional resources that I'm going to be updating on the course in the resources section. There's a ton of stuff in there, so I can't wait to deep dive into it with you guys. I'm amped. I'm excited. I want to help you sing better in the comfort of your own home. And I want you to sing healthier with more stability, more security, hit higher notes, sing lower. I don't know, the list goes on. Have an awesome rest of your day and have fun with the course. Ka kite anō.